Full moon night or Purnima, the night of Purnima when the moon shines in the form of a ball. New moon night or Amavasya, the night of Amavasya when the moon is not seen from the earth. Celestial bodies, the sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky. Stars, big and hot celestial bodies made up of gases. They have their own heat and light. Constellation, various patterns formed by different groups of stars. Ursa Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is the Saptarishi. Sapta means seven, Rishis means sages. It is a group of seven stars that forms a part of Ursa Major constellation. The seven stars representing seven Rishis, namely Vasishtha, Marichi, Pulastya, Pulaha, Atri, Ankira and Kratu. Pole star, the North Star indicates the north direction, always remain in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of the Saptarishi. If an imaginary line is drawn joining the pointer stars and extended further, it will point to the pole star. Orbit, the elliptical parts on which the planets and satellites revolve round the sun and planets respectively. Rotation, taking rounds by the heavenly bodies around their axis. Revolution, revolving heavenly bodies round their sun or planets on their elliptical paths. Satellite, a celestial body orbiting the earth or another planet in the same way as the planets move around the sun. Two types of satellites are natural and human-made. Natural satellite of the earth is moon. A human-made satellite is a machine that is launched into space and orbits around a body in space. INSAT, IRIS, EDUSAT, etc. are human-made satellites. The solar system. The sun, its planets, satellites and some of the celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids from the solar system. It is known as a solar family with the sun as its head. The sun, huge and made up of extremely hot gases. The ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. The tremendous heat is not felt so much by us because despite being our nearest star, it is far away from us, about 150 million kilometers away from the earth, provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. Planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Earth twin. Venus is considered as Earth twin because its size and shapes are very much similar to that of the Earth. Dwarf planet. A dwarf planet is an object in space that is like a small planet but does not completely fit the technical description of a planet by International Astronomical Union. Pluto, Eris and the largest asteroids, Ceres, are all dwarf planets. Main differences between inner planets and outer planets. The basic difference between the inner planets and outer planets is that the inner planets are between the sun and the asteroid belt, whereas the outer planets are beyond the asteroid belt. The inner planets are closer to the sun, whereas the outer planets are further away from the sun. The inner planets include Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, whereas the outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The inner planets have slow orbits and hence a slow revolution, whereas the outer planets have faster orbits and hence faster revolution. The inner planets have no rings, whereas outer planets have beautiful rings around them. The Earth. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the poles. That is why its shape is described as a geoid. Geoid means an Earth-like shape. Unique planet in the solar system. Life-supporting conditions are available on the Earth. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air which are very essential for our survival. The air has life-supporting gas like oxygen. It has ozone layer that protects life from harmful radiations. Blue planet. From the outer space, the Earth appears blue because its two-thirds surface is covered by water. It is therefore called a blue planet. The Moon, natural satellite of the Earth, 3,84,400 km away from Earth. Its diameter is 1/4 that of the Earth. The Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the Moon is visible to us on the Earth. The Moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has mountains, plains, and depressions on its surface. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the Moon on 20 July 1969. Astronomers, those who study the celestial bodies and their movements, are called astronomers. Aryabhatta was a famous astronomer of ancient India. Asteroids, apart from the stars, planets, and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Meteoroids, the small pieces of rocks which move around the sun, are called meteoroids. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burnt, falls on the earth and creates a halo. Galaxy. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. Universe. Millions of galaxies together form universe. There is only one universe in which everything exists in this universe itself. Speed of light. Light travels at the speed of about 3 lakh km per second. At this speed, the light of the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the earth. What's about solar and the earth? Solar system, solar energy, solar lantern, solar heater, solar power, solar heat, and solar family, etc. Geology, geometry, geoid, geophysics, geomorphology, and geography, etc. In-text exercise. Question number 1. Do you wonder why cannot we see the moon and all those bright tiny objects during the daytime? Answer. The light of the sun in daytime is so bright that we cannot see the tiny bright shining objects of the night skies. Question number 2. Ask someone elder in your family or neighborhood to show you more stars and planets in the sky. Answer. Look and observe along with your family or neighborhood Twinkling objects are stars and non-twinkling objects are planets. Question number 3. What do animals and plants require in order to grow and survive? Answer. In order to grow and survive, animals and plants require heat and energy, oxygen, water and food. Question number 4. Look at the full moon and observe its shadows. Answer. Look and observe the full moon on Purnima. Question number 5. Do you see a whitish broad band like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night? Answer. Yes, a whitish broad band is like a white glowing path across the sky. It is a cluster of stars known as Milky Way. It is our galaxy. Textbook exercise. Question number 1. Answer the following questions briefly. A. How does a planet differ from a star? Answer. A planet. It has not its own heat and light. It is spherical in shape. It does not twinkle. There are 8 in numbers in solar system. For example, Earth. A star. It has its own heat and light. It is a very big and hot ball of fire. It twinkles and radiates a great amount of heat and light. They are numerous in a galaxy. For example, Sun. B. What is meant by the solar system? Answer. The Sun, 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids from the solar system. It is known as a solar family with the Sun as its head. C. Name all the planets according to their distance from the Sun. Answer. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. D. Why is the Earth called a unique planet? Answer. Life supporting conditions are available on the Earth. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air which are very essential for our survival. The air has life supporting gas like oxygen. It has ozone layer that protects the life from harmful radiations. E. Why do we see only one side of the moon always? Answer. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the earth. F. What is the universe? Answer. Millions of galaxies together from the universe. There is only one universe in which everything exists in it. Question number 2. Tick the correct answer. A. The planet is known as the Earth's twin is Jupiter, Saturn, Venus. Answer. Venus. B. Which is the third nearest planet to the Sun? Venus, Earth, Mercury. Answer. Earth. C. All the planets move around the Sun in a circular path, rectangular path, elongated path. Answer. Elongated path. D. The pole star indicates direction to the south, north, east. Answer. North. E. Asteroids are found between the orbits of Saturn and Jupiter, Mars and Jupiter, the Earth and Mars. Answer. Mars and Jupiter. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A group of stars forming various patterns is called a constellation. B. A huge system of stars is called galaxy. C. The moon is the closest celestial body to our earth. D. The earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. E. Planets do not have their own heat and light. Friends, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more educational videos. Thank you.